Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel DNA.12 Education. For this time we are going to discuss a new topic. It is probability. Hopefully you are in a good condition and healthy. Let's start our topic today. Probability 1. Okay, everyone, what is the probability? I think everyone knows about the probability. Probability is the likelihood of something happening. When someone tells you the probability of something happening, they are telling you how likely that something is. Okay, have you ever won the lottery? It can be something like 1/1 million or even worse. Can you imagine how many your probability? Okay, for the first, you're going to talk about the probability distribution or probability scale. 1 impossible, 2 unlikely, 3 equally likely, 4 likely, and number 5 is certain. Look at the diagram. Okay, the green bar. When our probability is 0, we call it impossible. When the probability quarter, we call it unlikely. When the probability half, we call that equally likely. When the probability a quarter, a 3 over 4, we call it likely. And when the probability is 1, we call that certain. Number 1, you have to remind the probability range from 0 to 1. Next, okay, terms in probability. The most important how to solve probability is you have to know the steps. List the sample space first. Sample space of tossing coin. There are 2, head and tail. So number of sample space is 2. The second is die. Sample space of die. There are 6 faces. So the sample space is 1 and 6. Number of sample space is 6. That's clear, right? Go. What about playing card? I think everyone knows about playing card, right? Sample space of playing card. 1 box of playing card consists of club, spade, heart, and diamond. Every item of this playing card consists of 13 cards: king, queen, jack, and ace, and number 2 until 10. So the sample space is 52. Okay, everyone, what is the probability formula? Okay, I think you have ability to understand about the probability formula. That's the target. The probability is defined as letter P. Probability is possible choices divided by total number of choices. Or the formula of probability is number of trials in which event occurred over total number of trials. Okay, go to the work example 1. A coin is thrown 3 times. Define the sample space and what is the probability that at least 1 head is obtained. Look at the 3 diagram. Very clear. 3 times. Head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail. Okay? Do you understand the description? There are 8 sample space. 8 sample space. Okay, it is very clear. So even occurred for at least 1 head, there are 7. So the probability is 7/8. Go! Work example 2. If the rolling of 2 balanced dice at the same time, 2 dice are thrown. Find the probability of sum of both is equal to 8. Look at the diagram. This is the table of 2 dice. Okay, when we are going to sum up the table, row and column, we got 36 sample space. The question is the sum of both is equal to 8. Look at the circle. We got 5 occurred events, right? Okay, so the events occurred for add to 8 are 5 events. So the probability is 5/36. Okay, work example 3. The probability of picking something. There are 6 bits in a bag, 3 are red, 2 are yellow, and 1 is blue. What is the probability of picking a yellow? Number of sample space is 12. 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. And the events occurred for picking a yellow is 2 events. Okay, so the probability is 2/10.
From John Paul School, and I will start my 7th grade this year. I've joined QPC course since January 2020 with Mr. Jasper as my course tutor. Mr. Jasper did not only teach me the proper techniques of both maths and mathematica, but he teach me how to learn independently and how to stick into a problem to find ways of solving it. The course materials were good and it's based on my school curriculum. And the mentor approaching is also good. During the pandemic of COVID-19, we studied via the internet and it's also good. And I think Mr. Jasper is very good and it's a solid course. I learned a lot. Thanks, sir.
Hai, nama saya Cassius Nathanael. Saya adalah seorang siswa kelas 6 SD Penabur Harapan Indah Bekasi. Les di Bimbel QPC sangat menyenangkan karena konsepnya fun learning. Cara mengajarnya pun asik dan tidak membosankan. Selama les di Bimbel QPC, saya menjadi lebih mudah untuk mengerjakan soal-soal matematika. Karena di sini kita akan diberikan rumus-rumus jitu yang mudah dipelajari. Oke? Salam.
Halo, salam pelajar. Nama saya Pascual Clayton. Saya siswa Kolese Canisius angkatan 21. Saya di sini untuk memberi testimoni saya mengenai proses belajar saya di QPC selama masa karantina lockdown ini. Pertama, jelas belajarnya jadi lebih susah karena harus belajar online. Namun, saya berterima kasih mempunyai QPC untuk membimbing saya melewati perjalanan belajar online saya. Saya sama sekali belum familiar dengan proses belajar online. Saya sangat perlu bimbingan dan saya berterima kasih akan adanya QPC di situ untuk membimbing saya. Nilai saya pun akhirnya berhasil kekejar. Nilai saya yang 60 menjadi nilai 80 dan nilai saya yang 80 menjadi nilai 90. Itu adalah mata pelajaran IPA tuh. Jadi selama proses belajar online ini akhirnya kekejar juga nilai saya. Itu in part sangat besar karena bimbingan Sir Jasper dan QPC. Setiap malam kami belajar bersama untuk mempersiapkan diri untuk esok pagi belajar online. Jadi nilainya aman selama belajar online ini di QPC. Semuanya aman dan bahkan lebih meningkat kalau di kasus saya. Sekian dari saya, terima kasih. Salam pelajar.